Good morning student. Let's start with our HTML coding. In this video section, we will see the different types of HTML style with CSS. CSS basically stands for Cascading Style Sheet. This saves a lot of work. It can be control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. Now, what is a CSS? This is used for format the layout of a web page. With CSS, you can control the color, font, size of the text. And once you can give it, automatically it will appear for rest of the documents. The spacing between the elements, how the elements are positioned and laid out, what background image and background color to be used, different display for different devices and screen sizes, and too much more we can give with the help of CSS. The word CSS cascading means that the style applied to the parent element will also apply to all children elements within the parent. So no need to give the each and every effect separately to the document. So if you set the color of the body text to blue, all the headings, paragraph and other text element within that body will get the same color unless you specify something else. Now basically CSS can be added to HTML document in three ways. Let's see which are those. First one, that is an inline text. Basically, inline text is nothing but the simple text effect at heading, paragraph we can give with the help of inline cascading style sheet. Internal CSS, and after that external CSS. One by one we will see practically how to apply this. So let's start with our notepad file. First one we will see about the inline cascading style sheet. Now inline cascading style sheet is used to apply a unique style to a single HTML element, and inline CSS is used to the style attribute of the HTML element. You can see over here the style attribute everywhere we have used, either for heading, paragraph. These are the following example to set the text color to the heading as well as text color to the paragraph. So you can see over here heading color I have given the blue, and for paragraph I have given the color red. So whether it will appearing or not we will see through our browser. So the name of my file is a inline. So just open the inline file, you will get the output. So this is appearing blue color heading as well as paragraph is in the red color. So the same effect I am giving over here. Over here alignment we have given the center, that's why that text is appearing in the center. So this is appearing on the center side. So how you will mention, accordingly you will get the output. So over here alignment can be changed, center, left and right. By default you will get the left hand side. So once you will apply this, so this will automatically apply to whole the document. So no need to mention the separately over here. So this is a unique style can be applied everywhere. Now we will jump towards the next part, that is an internal cascading style sheet. Now internal cascading style sheet is used to define the style for single HTML page. This can be defined within the head section. You can see over here within the head section style attribute we have given. And the following is an example to set the color for your text, that is H1. We have given this color to H1 as well as we have given the color for background also. So this is the addition. So this display the background color as well as heading color to my particular HTML page. So let's see the output whether I am getting or not. Always remember, style tag supposed to be within the head tag, and after that whichever content you want, it should be mentioned within the body tag. So this will print as it is, but of course this is a unique style which we will get as a background color and the heading color. So how many headings we will apply over here? By default it will accept the green color, and this is a margin color. First of all, we will see this output. Save the changes and view this page through browser. So you can see over here it is appearing my heading color green as well as my margin from left 40% in the pixel, as well as we will get the background color also over here. So as soon as I will go on putting my headings, for example I will copy paste same heading. So let's assume over here we are giving heading level 2. Save the changes and refresh your browser. Okay, so you can see the difference over here. This is my heading level 2, and over here by default we have set the color for heading level 1. So if I will change it into the heading level 1, save the changes, refresh your browser. So by default it is appearing in that color. So only once you have to set these colors, automatically how many times you will use that, or you will call within the body tag that particular heading, it will by default accept that effect. So no need to specify it again and again. So this is the advantage of my internal cascading style sheet. Now we will jump towards the external style sheet. External style sheet is nothing but once you have to define first of all your cascading style sheet. Over here, let's see the example first of all. Over here, you can see I have written certain coding in the text editor, and this file is not contained any HTML code. Only I have given certain body tag and heading 1 tag with the background color as well as heading color with margin. Now this file I am saving with .css extension, that is a cascading style sheet extension. Now with an external style sheet, you can see the changes entire website. By changing that, entire website will accept this body color and heading 1. First of all, we have to save this file with mystyle.css. Without forget, save this file with the extension .css. Now we have to create one more file. So I have created external file, and over here within the head tag I have called that my style CSS extension file. Over there within this file already we have set the background color as well as heading color. See over here, as such we are not giving any background effect as well as heading color. This effect already we have given within my style CSS, and through this file we are just calling that effects. So let's see whether I will get or not. Save the changes and open your file through browser. So you can see over here. See, this is my file, that is a mystyle.css. I will open this file. Let's do certain changes over here. So over here you can see it is showing me red color. Yes, so let's change the color. Instead of red we will mention some other color. For example, green color I will give over here. Let's save the changes, go to your browser and refresh your browser. See, automatically it is accepting that changes within my external.html page. So this is a page. So you can see the difference. This is called as a external cascading style sheet. So through this, multiple things you can set, such as a background color, heading color. After that, you can set the border as well as paragraph color, paragraph margin, paragraph border. So multiple things you can give over here. But without forget, save this file with extension .css. So that's it for today's section. Today we have learned three types of cascading style sheet. One is your internal. After that, we learned external as well as inline, internal and external cascading style sheet. So that's it for today's section. Thank you for watching my video.